I can picture myself on the Amalfi Coast sipping my Prosecco with Jennifer Coolidge.
Okay, that's a choice, but I like it, and I might have to ask for an invitation.
Yeah, you're always invited. If Jennifer Coolidge and I are there, you are there.
Obviously.
Hello, you're watching a close-up on Customization 1 in the FabFitFun Summer Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of our community, welcome back. I'm Tasha, I'm the Director of Brand Marketing at FabFitFun, and today I am joined by our co-founder and editor-in-chief, Katie Kitchens.
Hello, very excited to be here today.
Thank you so much for joining. You just have so much knowledge on all of the products, so I'm excited to get into them. We're deep diving on all of the products that you can choose from in this customization. So if you're not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show, so let's get into it. First up, we have the Glow Recipe Blackberry Retinol Blemish Serum.
So I'm obsessed with Glow Recipe. They are a FabFitFun favorite brand, female founded, really known for their fruit forward ingredients. This time we are featuring the Blackberry line. It's amazing. It has 3 different types of retinols, which really helps to unclog pores, to reduce the appearance of blemishes, discoloration, and fine lines. We love it because it's potent yet really, really gentle.
If you are new to retinol though, a good tip is to start by mixing this into your moisturizer, and then after a couple of weeks, you can go ahead and apply it straight to your face, and that'll help you ease into it.
Yeah, 100%. It is a powerhouse ingredient, which we love because it means it works, but you can also try using it every other night on the start to make sure your skin is ready for all of the beautiful effects.
Definitely. Next up, we have the Kopari Beauty Bright as Day Mineral Sheer SPF 50.
Another brand that I love. It's clean, it's super summery, and this sunscreen actually has an SPF 50, which is amazing. You know, we love the sun, but we also know the damage it can do. So this really helps to shield against UVA and UVB rays, and it's suitable for all different skin tones.
This one kind of has a tiny bit of a tint that then dries down clear, which I like as well.
100%.
You can see where you're
putting it on so you don't actually miss any spots, which is something that does happen with sunscreen. It also has a no white cast, which makes it amazing for all different skin tones and types. And I will say this is a little bit more of, you know, a combination obviously of a sunscreen and a more traditional skin care type of product, because it does have vitamin C, niacinamide to really give you an instant summer glow.
Yes, and we love that. Next we have the Show Me Your Mumu Sunseeker Tote.
Show Me Your Mumu, another FabFitFun favorite, female founded. It is huge, it is so chic. I love the inner lining with the stripes. As we were talking about earlier, very much on trend. It also has an inner pocket to keep everything organized, but it's just so big, so you can fit your towels, your cover-ups, magazines. If people read magazines, I'm not sure that's a thing anymore, your cell phone, but really everything you need for a perfect beach day.
And for science, I did test this, and it will hold a bag of wine and your towel.
That is very important scientific research that you've done there, Tasha.
Yes, I know, you're welcome. This is actually one of my favorite bags that we've ever had in the box. I just think it's so cute. I love the stripes inside, and I'm definitely picking this.
Yes, it's amazing. We love it.
Next, we have the Bushbalm Francesca Bikini and Body Trimmer.
Okay, so this is a completely new category for us. It's the first time we've ever had a trimmer in the box, and it really is the perfect summer essential. It's easy to use, it's weighty, so you're gonna have an easy time in the shower. It is water resistant, so you can bring it into the shower with you. It is a trimmer, so it is not a razor. You're actually going to often use it before you might reach for a razor to trim all of the hairs along your bikini line, underarms, legs, anywhere that you might like.
Yeah, it's a great prep item. I think this is a really good pick, and we've never had something like this.
Yes, and great reviews online. People love her.
Next up, we have the Slowtide Zoey Turkish Beach Towel.
We've done towels before, but I think this design is my favorite. It's a Turkish towel. Again, love the stripes, particularly love the shades that feel super summery. It's versatile, obviously great to bring to the beach, but can also be used as a cover-up, a scarf. It can even go on your table to add a little chic design there. But what's really great is that it is made from 100% cotton, but the weave makes it dry 3 times faster. faster. So when you're at the pool or the lake or the beach, you get all that drying
action.
Yes, all that drying action.
I love the design of it. I love the material of it as well, and that it's so versatile. I can picture myself on the Amalfi Coast sipping my Prosecco and with Jennifer Coolidge.
Okay, that's a choice, but I like it, and I might have to ask for an invitation.
Yeah, you're always invited. If Jennifer Coolidge and I are there, you are there.
Obviously, I'm here for that. It also has a little loop so you can hang it up really easily to dry. But again, just a really chic must-have option for summer.
Definitely. All right, this next one is new for us. This is the Sol Angeles Gauzy Maxi dress. This is gonna come in extra small, medium large, extra large, XXL, or plus.
We definitely take all of the member feedback into consideration when we are doing our curations. And one of the things that we always hear is newness. So love all of the new categories that we have this summer. One of the other fun things about this dress specifically is that, when we're curating the boxes, we obviously, use all of the amazing taste of the merch team, but also we look at the surveys. So if you get them, take them. And I will say this dress specifically was one of the top chosen items of all time, and I understand why. It's the perfect versatile LBD. There's a tie in the back which makes it adjustable. It's 100% cotton, you can throw it on, and just like the perfect little summer cover-up.
My hot tip here is to, when you're going on vacation, bring this on your carry-on, because just in case your bag gets lost, this is the perfect wear everywhere dress. You can wear it to breakfast in the morning. You can wear it as a beach cover up. You can dress it up with some sandals and some earrings and wear it to dinner. It will really do everything.
100%, and because it is so lightweight and the material, you can roll it up. It's not gonna get wrinkled, so you could just throw it into any bag. Let me ask you a question. Has your luggage been lost before?
Yes, but not for a long time, and I feel like I'm due.
Okay, well, let's not say that. I think that maybe I paid mine forward because I've had my luggage lost at least a half a dozen times.
Oh my gosh. Well, honestly, no, you know what it is? I almost always pack carry-on. I will stuff everything, even if I'm going, like I went to Thailand, I packed a carry-on.
Yeah, I appreciate that, and I am not a carry-on girl.
Okay, it's okay. It's not for everybody. It's not a life for everybody. You have to
one day.
Yeah, you have to be very strategic and picky, and be prepared to be upset a little bit when you're in your destination without, the 5 pairs of heels that you wanted.
I like an outfit change.
Yeah, I do too. I understand that and respect it. Next up, we have the In the Roundhouse Sicily Striped Serving Platter.
So this is the perfect platter for all of your summer hosting. We love the blue and white stripes. It's very chic, but it's also classic, so she is going to last you a long time. It is made from new bone china, which actually gets its strength because it's infused with jade. So again, really durable. She's dishwasher safe, microwave safe. It can go into the oven up to 350 degrees. So if you are reheating anything when you're entertaining, it makes it really easy.
As someone who follows the trends, Katie, and what do you think? Are stripes the new scallops?
100% for summer, but what I love about stripes specifically is because it is a classic, it's going to last you so much longer than just one summer.
Definitely, and this matches back to
my favorite dipping / ice cream bowls.
Yes, dipping / ice cream.
You can do anything with them.
All right, I will be. Next, we have the Year and Day Salt Cellar.
Okay, so we are always looking for ways to turn functional items into really fashionable ones, especially in the home decor space. And I think the Cellar is a perfect example of it. Basically, you fill it with sea salt, and you can place her on your dining room table, in your kitchen, but it has this really beautiful semi-matte glaze, and the shape is just so fun and unique. I will say, it holds quite a bit of salt.
But you're a salt lover.
But I am a true salt lover. And so for me, a lot is just enough. And again, just a really chic little home upgrade.
I also think you could put really anything in here that you want to. The shape is supposed to be reminiscent of the waning moon. This is really like just a decor piece that also functions.
100%, and you want beautiful things that are not the same as everybody else. Mm-hmm. So this is just like a little unique way to make your home feel yours.
Yes. Next we have the AIRE Spiral Sunglasses.
So AIRE is a new Australian brand that has been trending all over the place. I love these shades because they have a classic square frame and a really beautiful oversized fit. So again, great for all of that sunblock that we're looking for during the summer.
If you love the look of aviators, but you don't want that like kind of elongated lens that they usually have, I think these are perfect. They're nice and simple, but they have this more square shape that is really universally flattering on everybody.
Well, and that's how I feel. I kind of have a round face, so I don't love an aviator on me, and I like the way that the square kind of fits on my cheeks.
Yes, I think that they look great on you.
Thank you, good on you too. And of course, they are shatterproof and scratch resistant, which we love.
Yes, I absolutely need that. Next, we have another pair of sunglasses from AIRE. This is the Calisto sunglasses.
So I will say, I think this pair is so cute. They're serving nostalgia with the classic 90s oval shape. They're a little bit more of, I would say, a fashion forward take on sunnies, but I'm into these. I think I might pick these ones.
They look amazing on you.
You too.
And yes, they're giving a little bit like Hollywood, which I like.
A little glam.
Yes, in last season's customized close-up, the community members were saying that they thought the sunglasses were slipping down my nose, but I actually just wear my sunglasses lower because I want my eyebrows to show. Sometimes if you wear them too high, my eyebrows disappear and then I look eyebrowless.
I mean, you have lovely eyebrows. So
I want to show them.
You should wear. Yes, that's fine. I don't have any eyebrows because I plucked all of mine out in the 90s, but that's okay. One day they'll grow back.
It happens to the best of us, but you do an amazing job. They look beautiful. Anastasia?
Yeah, little Anastasia does wonders.
Yes. Next up, we have the Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum.
Innisfree is an amazing Korean beauty brand. K-beauty is something that we've always loved, but is really trending again. This guy is formulated with a powerhouse ingredient trio of green tea, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. So it's really great for brightening. If you do want to fade dark spots from the sun or anything post-breakout, it leaves you just with a beautiful, more even skin tone.
A hack that I've been seeing on TikTok that a lot of people are doing is taking green tea and putting it on before using their red light masks. I recently bought a red light mask, and so I've been dying to do that. And I think I'm gonna use this product for that, with the green tea being one of the key ingredients.
Okay, so Tasha, I will say, we are here for all the red lights.
Yes.
We have them in Boost, we have them in sales. They're amazing, they're great for skin. What I'm not here for are the TikTok trends. So I agree with you, let's stay away from the real green tea, let's stay away from the beef fat that we're smearing all around, and instead, we're opting for this beautiful serum to, pair with your red light.
For tried and tested products.
Yeah, I'm here for that.
Yes, I think that's a good idea.
Perfect.
All right, well, thank you for tuning in. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Summer Close-Up. Katie, tell me, what are you picking?
Okay, so you're gonna get angry with me because I want to pick all
I am.
the things.
You, of all people, get all the products.
Yes, but that's not the point. The point is that I love all of the products that we curate, and so I want all of them. But I will say, my top has to be the towel. I love it. I'm also doing the Glow Recipe Serum, and I'm gonna do the sunnies as well.
I think that
sunnies
is
as well.
All right, I am going to pick a nice little pair here. I'm going to do the Show Me Your Mumu tote and the lovely Sol Angeles dress, and I am going on vacation. Don't call, my out of office is on.
That's fine, but I'm also picking the bag.
All right, have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.